If your Nissan Pathfinder keeps dropping its Apple CarPlay connection, it is usually a simple cable or software handshake issue. Data shows that the vast majority of these connection drops are caused by worn-out Lightning or USB-C cables, not the car itself. Let us walk through the simple steps to isolate exactly where that signal is breaking. Start by swapping out your cable for a fresh one and checking your phone port for debris. If the hardware is fine, refresh the software link by forgetting the device and updating your phone firmware. Sometimes specific security settings on your iPhone can interfere with the data handshake between the device and the head unit. Most users resolve this at home, but if the unit continues to cycle, you may have an internal hardware failure requiring a technician. As you can see, the cable is the statistical culprit in nearly 2/3 of all disconnection incidents. A hard reset of the infotainment system often clears out temporary glitches that cause intermittent drops. Keep these items in your glove box to quickly troubleshoot should the connection fail while you are on the road. Remember to always treat your ports with care to avoid permanent pin damage. If these steps did not stabilize your connection, it is time to have your Nissan dealer inspect the head unit firmware.